Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to hear caller on receiving call and no sound on incoming call. When call back on same number, it's hearing and work properly. In this video we fix all incoming and outgoing call audio issue on iPhone. Firstly, make sure your receiver is not blocked or dirty. If necessary, clean with a brush and dry it with soft cloth or air pick. Solution 1. Force to restart your device. Quickly press and release volume up button and quickly press and release volume down button. Finally press and hold power button till you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, then press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time till you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Click on Settings app. In setting page, click on Bluetooth. Toggle off Bluetooth. Solution 3. Increase the volume during call with side button. Solution 4. Make sure you have the latest version of iOS. Click on Settings app. In setting page, click on General. Click on Software Update. If update available, then click on Download and Install and update your iPhone. Solution 5. Make sure that nothing is plugged into the headphone jack or dock connector. Solution 6. Make sure nothing is blocking the receiver or earpiece. If you are using protector case or display protector, remove it and try again. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.